My name is Seth Ediger with IdeaTek. I'm an OSP position, an outside plant personnel. What me and my team do, we provide internet, fiber optic internets to the home. Basically, every morning we'll have our jobs. We check our cell phones and figure out what our plan is for the day, just to do that last checkup, make sure no plans have changed, and get our trucks fired up, make sure we have our equipment for the day. And then we'll go out and do a residential install for a customer in the neighboring area.
Good morning. Hello, I'm with IdeaTek doing an installation.
What we'll do is we do 2 installations a day. We have an AM installation and a PM installation. And what it looks like is we start our AM installation at around 8:30, make sure we're at the customer premise, go and establish contact, talk with the customer, make a game plan, and then at that point we start our project. Once the project's done, we check the house for coverage, try to answer questions, and try to help educate the customer with basic just knowledge or Wi-Fi questions. And then if the customer's good to go, what we'll do is we just do our little paperwork, log off, and set a sign in the yard letting the others know that we've got one more house connected with internet freedom. The team we have at IdeaTek makes a huge difference. We're all like-minded individuals. We're here, it's a career, and we all act in a way and do our jobs in a way, and makes a huge difference. It's a culture, and we enjoy each other, we enjoy what we do, and we enjoy that we're able to help others and make a difference. One of the best things about our position is you can physically see a change. It's one change at a time. You go to the home, you make a change, you give them a reliable connection, you give them hope for knowing that in the future they could save money by not having to drive to work, or they can have that little bit of entertainment, have a date night, watch a movie with their spouse. And it's just really rewarding knowing that fiber optics is just traveling at the speed of light, and it's just really rewarding bringing that high quality service to small towns and rural areas.